Hello everyone, it's Ben at TV Parts today. In front of me on the table we have a Samsung unit, UN50AU8000FXZA. This is a screwless unit. If you need help getting the back off, we'll have a link down below in the description for that video. We are going to be going over just how to get the boards out of this unit today so you can do a quick and easy board swap. And let's get right into it. First up, we're going to be doing the main board. First step that we want to do is get all of these clips away from the board. This guy right here, we're going to want to pinch down on the two pieces on the side, slowly walk it away, comes right out. This is going to be a flap that we're going to pop up with our fingernail. Just take a little bit of finesse to get it out, easy. This one right here, there's going to be a small clip that we want to push down with our thumbnail, and it comes right away from the main board. Another little flap with our fingernail, and that is it for the clips and cables connecting this board in. Now we want to get the board away from the chassis. There are no screws here, so the first thing that we're going to want to do is pull up very gently on the corner of the board just so it comes up over this little nubbin, and we're going to slide the whole board to the left there, and it comes right away. Next up is the power supply board. There is only one cable here, same version, same kind of style cable as on the main board. We just want to push down on the two pieces on the side and slowly walk it away. And I'm going to show you here, it has kind of come out at an angle. We want to push it back in, and maybe with two hands, push down on those and slowly walk it out of there. So the next part's going to be a little bit trickier. We're going to need to push down on this clip, which is going to free the board and allow it to slide, but we do need to get it up over this nubbin. So we're going to pull it very gently on this corner, and then with our thumb here, we're just going to push over. So I did have this clip here depressed up on the corner and then slid the whole board over, and it comes right away. All right guys, that's going to be it for today. Pretty simple stuff here. If you have any other questions, if you need any help figuring out which board's in your TV, if you need any more direction on how to get them out of there, we're going to have some links down below. You can pop over to our subreddit, ask any questions, and we'll see you next time.